What up, guys? Hope everything is going well. Want to do a quick video on the market, and the market has been doing really well. When the Dow or the S&P was at what 2180, I thought that the market would rally from there. I was kind of nervous at that time, where this pandemic was going on and everybody was freaking out and everything was shutting down. But now, you see people gambling in the market, took their stimulus checks, putting money in Robinhood, and it seems like we're right back at where we were before the pandemic. But this time around, the economy is in much worse shape. And I've noticed that a lot of people who have been bullish throughout the years are now starting to raise alarm, at least for the next few months heading back into the election. And because of the craziness in our system, it looks like the stock market could even go down 20 to 30% within a short period of time. All right, I'm over at CNBC and it says virus surge and new China tensions could spark a 20 to 30% market meltdown. Longtime bull Ed Yardini warns. This guy has been bullish for quite some time, as the title implies. And he was there saying before this stock market crash in March that the market would be going down, just from a valuation perspective. And now he's back. And he tends to have a good eye on the economy. So, another individual that I look at is Avi Gilbert, and this is over at Seeking Alpha. And in this article, he wrote this what today, or is published today. And if you scroll down, let's go down, down, down. He's talking about how the market will probably go down quite some bit in the next 4 months. He still is bullish over the next few years, but he does believe that because of his analysis of EWT, Elliott wave theory, that the market should be going down. Now, he does allege that the market could see a bit more upside, and I wouldn't be surprised about that. The market overall, though, heading right into the election, should be very volatile and go down. Probably the same amount that Ed Giardini is talking about. Another individual who follows EWT is David Brady, and he thinks that the market's going to go to 2600, 2700 on the S&P. So that's what I think Avi's talking about. He didn't leave a particular level on this article, but that's something that I'm thinking is what these EWT guys are looking at. All right, and over here, I'm on YouTube, and this is Mike Norman. And Mike Norman had a video a few days ago, and he says the economy and market are about to become toast. And what's quite interesting is this guy's very positive. And he was very bullish once they had the stimulus earlier this year in March, April, seems the market would go higher. And the market did go higher. Now he's saying that, okay, some of that stimulus is fading out. The Fed's balance sheet, is decreasing. So putting that into perspective with other parts of the economy, which will probably shut down very soon with the high numbers in COVID cases. Some people don't believe it. That doesn't matter. Ultimately, some of these states are going to shut down again. And you have to remember that these guys like playing politics, like in these blue states especially. So I'm going to expect a wave two shutdown. Putting all this together, we should see a decrease in the stock market in the coming months. Is it going to be like that meltdown we saw earlier this year? I don't think so, because this time around, the Fed has pumped so much money into the system. They're going to do it again. They're going to come up with some sort of monetary and fiscal stimulus to get this market to 4,000 S&P within the next few years, at least. Now, what does this mean, or what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to be looking actually at cards that I feel are undervalued. As you guys know, card prices have been going up, up, and up, and we should see a correction in the coming months because of the stock market crash as well, or stock market correction. So there's going to be a lot of opportunities. And I'm particularly looking at LeBron James rookie cards. And I don't like LeBron, me being from Chicago, but ultimately I'm an investor at the end of the day. I don't like the fact that he makes ignorant statements, but once again, I'm here to profit and arbitrage off of it. And some of these cards that I'm going to buy off eBay, I'm definitely going to be sending to PSA the ones that are in the best and pristine condition. So ultimately, with this craziness with our politicians, the economy, trying to go after Trump, more volatility should come ahead, and this will give all of us a good opportunity to potentially buy assets on the low, assets that are cheap. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think. When I do see these guys that are uber bullish now becoming bearish, we should listen to them. Doesn't mean you have to agree with their philosophy on markets, or not markets, but on economics. But we could take a look. Okay, three different guys from different perspectives are saying we should expect weakness in the months ahead. Anyways, leave your comments below. I'll talk to you later, guys. Thanks. Bye.